last weekend here in Atlanta was cold and rainy, but I couldn't pass up an opportunity to check out some clean and capable Raptor builds. So I stopped by an Atlanta Raptors meetup in the North Metro, and I got to see a bunch of Gen 2 and Gen 3 F-150 Raptors, see how their owners chose to modify them, and take a little bit of inspiration for my own build. All the while secretly excited because I knew already sitting in my garage at home was the first major mod for my Ranger Raptor, and I couldn't wait to get it installed. In these boxes, I have a set of brand new wheels for the Ranger Raptor, and I chose wheels for my first mod on the truck because they really do add a lot of personality and give you that feeling that the truck is really yours and unique. So let's get these loaded up in the truck and get them installed. So I made the trip up north to link up with the guys at Super Overland Outfitters in Gainesville to get these wheels mounted, balanced, and installed on the Ranger Raptor. The current Ranger Raptor wheels are a plus 55 offset, and we're going to be replacing them with a plus 25 offset. So we should get a nice aggressive fitment without going too crazy. We've got those KMC wheels in the bed of the truck. Let's go inside and see what Super Overland's talking about. As the name would suggest, the folks up here at Super Overland focus on off-roading and overlanding and all the things that you need for your vehicle for those things, such as wheels, tires, brakes, suspension, and then all the accessories that go with that, like lighting, recovery gear, rooftop tents, awnings, and deck drawer systems and smart caps, and really everything in between. But they are a really awesome shop because they're owned and run by enthusiasts. They're folks that I've known in the off-road community for multiple years now, and this was born out of passion and not just like a pursuit of profit. And I think that's always the coolest way for a business to get started. And so these are some folks who I've seen off-roading, camping for years now, who then turn that passion into something really cool to help out the community, build their rigs into something special, and really understand people's needs for what they want and how they want to build out their rigs. So let's see how we get that Ranger Raptor set up with these new wheels.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out. I done seen these crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got big dreams. Now that, got big schemes since 16s, hot 16s. I started broke, then I fixed things. I been king, I been him. My bad, my whip clean. I been hot, that's benzene. You been not, that's cold stream. That's cold things, that's cold things. I'm motivated like Kobe. These don't know me, it's my time, check I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.
So we're all done at the shop. The Ranger Raptor is back in one piece, and these beautiful KMC hatchet wheels in the metallic blue are now on the truck. The plus 25 offset, I'm really impressed with the fitment. I think it gives the perfect aggressive stance for the Ranger Raptor, especially without having to upgrade tire size or make any modifications. That additional offset really just widens the stance just a hair, and I think it's enough for this truck to have the presence that, in my opinion, a Raptor should have. Previously, I took a video right before I put the wheels on, and I took one after to show kind of what that fitment looks like rolling down the road compared to with the stock wheels and now with the new offset. So you guys can take a look at the clips here, look at that previous offset, and then you can look at that new offset. I really think that it looks really good on the truck. It drives really smooth. It's a little bit lighter for the wheels. They're about 5 pounds lighter a piece, and I really think that it is a great compliment to my truck. Yes, sir. So we got the KMC hatchet wheels on the Ranger Raptor in that metallic blue. I think it looks super good with the cactus gray. Subtle in the nighttime, a little bit of pop in the daytime. A little different than what everybody else is rocking. And I think it has a super clean fitment with the plus 25 offset. Almost like just a hair of poke. Damn. Yeah, the Raptor's looking sweet. Appreciate you guys tuning in for the Ranger Raptor. I've been 3WK. Like, comment what you think about the wheels. What wheels are you putting on your truck, on your Ranger Raptor? And subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Let's go.